Hi student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of our Almighty Creator. I am also well. So today I am going to welcome of all my class 3 students because today I am going to take your math class. And today I am going to try to cover four sides or four areas like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Though you uh, learn or you know addition and subtraction very well, still I'm going to touch few of them and then we'll do some division and multiplication. So first we need to know addition, and you know addition very well, I know, but still I want to remind you. So addition is when we put together two or more numbers to find the total numbers. It is called addition. Like here are two numbers, 965 and 457. When we add this together and we get the total amount, this is called the addition. And there is some rules of addition, you know this, right? That we should do the addition from right side to left side always, and we should write the number properly, proper digit, uh, the below digit. Okay, in this way we can do addition very well. So now let's we do some of the exercise here. So here is, we want to add 896 with 359. So let me add, or you can also add in your home. So 896 we add with 359. So if we calculate 9 and 6, so we'll do from right side, we'll go from this side to this side, okay, this way. So if we add 6 and 9, then it becomes 15. So from 15 we'll write 5 here and 1 will go here, and this one will add with next number, like 9 and 1 10 and 5, again we'll get 15. So again from 15 we'll write 5 here, and this one will go here, and from this one will add with 8 and 3. So 8 and 1 equal to 9, and 9 and 3 equal to 12. So we'll write 12 here. So our answer is 1255. So I hope you understand, and you already received the sheet, and try to do all the addition problem that I gave you. Then let's say go to the next slide. So now we'll learn the subtraction or minus. So minus means taking number away from the total number. So we in minus, bigger number should be in top. You know that we should put top number, bigger number in the top, and less number in the bottom of the number. Okay, top number. Minus we also do from the right to left. We should write properly digit below digit. It will help us to do the our minus properly. Okay, then let's do some exercise of minus. So first we need to deduct 867. From there we deduct from 867 we deduct 498. So let's we do that. So here 867 minus 498, we minus it. So if we minus it, you know the rules that from, if the top one is less than bottom one, then what we need to do, we need to carry 1. So from 7 we cannot able to deduct 8. So what should we do? We will bring 1 or take 1. This is the carrying method, minus. So we'll carry 1 from 6. So if we carry 1 from 6, it becomes 17 and 6 become, it will be it becomes 5. So from 17, if we minus 8, so we can minus, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here is 9. And from 6 become 5, and from 5 we cannot able to minus 9. So what should we do? We should carry 1 from 8. So we carry from 8 from 1, and 8 become 7. And from 15 we'll minus 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here is 6. And from 7 we can easily minus 4. So if we minus from 7 to 4, then it becomes 3. So our answer is 369. I hope you understand this. Let me erase it, and next we'll go to the next slide. Okay, now come to the multiplication. So in multiplication, we need to know first that how multiplication work. We need to know it. So multiplication, how it works. So number of group, when we multiply with number in each group, number of group when we multiply with number of each group. Like here are 3 groups in this picture. You can see in 3 groups, and every groups there are 4 items, like 4 heads of cats. Okay, so 3 groups, and every groups there are 4 things. So when we multiply it, 3 into 4, it becomes 12. In this way multiplication work. I hope you understand. So before doing multiplication, we need to remember some of the things, right? Like if you multiply any number by 0, your answer always be 0. For example, 5 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0. And if you multiply any number by 1, it stays same. Okay, stays same. Like 8 ones are 1, 8 ones are 8, 100 ones are 100. In this way, when you multiply by 1, the number will be same. Next one is when a whole number is multiplied by 10, we can simply write 0 at the end. This is the one kind of trick that and it should be, when you multiply it, make sure that there is 0 in your multiplication. Like if you multiply 1 with 10, then the answer will be 10. And if you want to multiply with 200 with 10, then you need to count first how many zeros you have. So you have 3 zeros, so you can put 3 zeros, then you just multiply with 2 with 1, then 2 ones are 2. It means we get 2000 here. Then another thing you need to know, that you need to know the timetable very well. Otherwise you cannot able to solve the multiplication in proper way, or it will take lots of time. So learn the multiplication table very well, then it will be help you to multiply any numbers very easily and quickly. Then let's we do some exercise here. Multiplication can be there are 2 types of multiplication. Like one is simple method, where you don't need to bring any you need to carry any numbers. You just multiply and put the number here. Like 3 2s are 6, you just need to put 6, and 3 3s are 9. Like this way. This is the simple way we do the multiplication. Another way is we need to carry the next one. Like if I want to show you, like first we need to multiply 3 with 7. So 3 7s are 21. So we put this one here, and we need to keep these 2 for next. You see here. So next one we'll do 3 with 6. So 3 6 are, how many you get? 3 6 are. So 3 6 are 18. So if you know the timetable, you cannot able to solve it. So 3 6 are 18, and we have 2. So if we add this 2 with 18, then it becomes this 20. You see. So our answer is 201. I hope you understand this. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, here are some exercise of multiplication. Now I'll do this and you also try at your home. Let's do some multiplication here. Okay, first we need to multiply 59 with 26. I hope your parents they help you to understand this, because it is very difficult to understand sometimes. So take help from your parents, and if you have any faces any problem, just know me or you can call me, so I can solve that problem. Okay, so now we'll multiply this 2 digit with 2 digit. Okay, so first we need to multiply. We always do from the right side. So from this 6 we'll start from the 6. So we'll multiply 6 nines are first. 6 nines are, so do you know what the result will come if we multiply 6 nines are? So 6 nines are is 54. Okay, so we need to write 4 here, and we take this 5 next one. We'll add this 5 with next number. Okay, then we'll add multiply 6 with 5. So 6 5s are 30, and we need to add this 5. So 30 and 5, there is 35. Another rules is when you go for next one to multiply, you need to put here 0 or cross. I am putting here cross here. So then we'll do again 2 nines are first. So 2 nines are 18. So 18 will put 8 here, and we'll add this one with next number. Okay, so 2 5s are 10, and we have 1. So 10 and 1 is 11. So now we'll add this all together like this way. So 4 times 4, and if we want to add 5 with 8, then it becomes 13. 13, we'll write 3 here, and we'll 1 go here. Okay, then 1 and 3 4 and 1 5. So here 5, and this one come down, so on. So in this way we can multiply easily. So we get the answer 1534. I hope you understand, and if you have any problem of understanding this, just take help from your parents. I hope they will help you. So come to the next slide. Now we'll do some of the division. So before doing division, we need to know some of the rules. So when we divide by 0 any number, the answer is always 0. Like if you divide 0, if we divide 0 by any number, then it becomes always 0. Like if we divide 2 with 0, then it becomes 0. Like for example, like if you have 0 sweet, and you want to share with 2 friends, so how many sweets they will get? They will get 0 sweets, right? You have no sweets, then how you can share? So when we divide any 0 with any number, then our result also 0. Another one is we cannot divide any number by 0. With 0 we cannot divide any number. Like this way, if you have 2 sweets but no friends, how you can divide? You have 2 sweets but no friend, how you can divide? It is very impossible. So we cannot divide it. Any number divided by same number, the answer is always 1. If we want to divide any number with same number, then our answer always be 1. Like if we divide 20 by 20, then it becomes 1. So there is some term of division. You need to know this. Like in division, the number that we divide is called dividend. The number we divide, like here we divide 27 by 5. This 27 will call dividend. Okay. And then the number by which we divide, like 5, 27 we divided by 5, this 5 is divisor. The answer we get, that answer will call quotient, and if there is any remain things or remain number, that is called remainder. Okay, let's do some division problem. So there is also two types of division, like in simple way we can do some division, and another one is we need to carry or we need to minus, that is a little bit different. So first we see the simple way. So if I want to do first one, so you can divide it like this way, or also you can do like this way, like 8 6 8 in this way, or you can write also like this way, like from your book here, same thing. Okay, in this way you can also write first one, like we need to divide 868 by 2. So we need to remember one rule, that if the first this number means dividend is the first number is bigger than the divisor, then we will go only the first number, like we'll divide this 8 with 2. Okay, so first we need to count this much only. So let's we count 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are, we'll write here 8. Then we don't need to minus because 8 8 0. So we'll put 6 here. Then again count next one, 2 3s are 6. So this, I told you, this is the simple method. Then come to the next one, again put 8 here, try to write under digit properly. Okay, then again 2 4s are 8. So we close here by putting one cross mark. Okay, so our answer is 434. This is our answer. So now let's do another one. So if you want to divide this 295 by 5. So now we need to remember that our first number of dividend is less than divisor, so we'll go two numbers. Okay, here two numbers, so we'll count 29 by 5. Okay, so 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Will not go more than 29, but we need to write less it. Okay, less than 29. If it is matched, then okay. If not matched, then will not go more than these two are dividend. Okay, so we'll write here 5 5s are 25. So 25 from 29, now we'll minus this 25. Okay, so if we minus from 9 to 5, then we'll get 5, sorry 4, this 4, and 2 to 0, so no need to write this 0. And now we'll bring this 5 here, this button. Okay, put 5. So now we get 45. So now you need to, so we need to write here that 5 5s are, we get 25. Now we'll go to this 45. Okay, now again we need to count the timetable of 5. So 5 9s are 45. Okay, 5 9s are, so we put 9 here and we'll match 45 here, and we'll put the cross mark here after finishing our division. So we get the answer here. Our answer is 59. So I hope and believe you understand this, and try to do at your home. I already gave you a sheet, you received the sheet, so try to do according to the sheet. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do not understand, let me know it, I try to help you. So